Hey, welcome. My name is Noah to Hacking Hollywood, the insider scoop to learning and growing your knowledge on the tricks and tools of Hollywood. Whether you're planning to make the move yourself to Hollywood, or if you just want to gain insight of what Hollywood does to apply to your small production, this is the YouTube channel for you. This is something I've been wanting to start for a while. I get frequently asked questions all the time. How do I move to LA? What should I do? How do I get my first job? Yada, yada, yada. I'm going to spend more of my time focused on that mindset, and every once in a while I'll throw out a few videos of gear and that kind of stuff. But honestly though, there's so many other YouTube channels that do an amazing job of teaching you tech. They teach you camera equipment and all that kind of stuff. I want to teach you more about the film industry as a whole and applying the knowledge I've learned from Hollywood and my friends have learned from Hollywood to apply to your smaller productions. That's what I do. 80% of my work is spent working on bigger shows and films. I recently just completed the 5th season of Silicon Valley, the HBO hit show. I've also worked on a few different shows like Bones, Ray Donovan, Castle, Modern Family, and the list goes on. I'm also a freelance assistant director. I've done about a half dozen features and probably about 20 or 25 infomercials. So what's unique about my experience is I've got big budget commercial experience, television experience, feature film experience, but I also spend about 20% of my time doing small budget stuff with local clients. So I get to balance between the big productions and also applying that knowledge to the small budget stuff too. I'm gonna be growing and learning about YouTube and how that platform works. And hopefully you guys will be learning about Hollywood and applying that knowledge to your productions. My goal is to have several interviews and different people to talk to that are even more experienced than me, that have more specialties than me. And I'm going to be kind of unpacking Hollywood and its secrets. That's why the title is called Hacking Hollywood. So follow me on this journey. I hope to have you. Please like and subscribe to the video and suggest it to friends. That would be a great way to help me out. Thanks, everybody.